Please donate me here. I need some Robux. Sub to me, please. Sub to me. And like and share. This is my favorite YouTuber. To get lot of Robux. Donate. I wait somebody here to donate me. Robux can't buy Adidas. I need Adidas for flexing my friend. My friend always flex his Robux and Adidas. I need Adidas too. Subscribe now.